Hey everyone, this is Kai from Hyperbolic. Today I just want to show a really quick demo on how to get started renting a GPU from Hyperbolic and then how to SSH into it. So this will be a very quick demo on just getting started with our GPU marketplace. So when you first get into the website, you're going to verify that you're a human and then be able to register or log in to your account. So you can use Google, GitHub, email or password, up to you. I'm going to go ahead and log in with Google. Since I've already created an account before, it'll just automatically log me in. But the first thing that you're going to need to do is attach your SSH public key to your account. So if you go into settings, you'll see this area down here where it allows you to upload your public key. So I already have a public key set up. If you don't, you can click this check support, and we have a tutorial here on how to generate a new public key on your local device. But if you already have one, it's usually in your home directory at the .ssh folder, and then you can just copy it to your clipboard and paste it in here. Great. So once your public key is updated, you're ready essentially to SSH or to rent an instance and then SSH into it. So the way that you can do that is if you go to rent GPUs, and you can just find an instance that you want. We have a lot of H100s available as well as an H200 here. So depending on your needs, you can decide on the performance of the GPU. I'm going to go ahead and I'll just rent one of these H100s. You can choose the amount of GPUs that you need. Um, you can also open up an HTTP port, but for this example, I won't. And then when you go ahead and click confirm rental, it'll take maybe 30 seconds for your instance to start up. Great. Okay, so the instance is now ready to be connected. If you click into your instance, you'll see an SSH command here. You can go ahead and copy that to your clipboard, go back to your terminal, and just paste that in. And it'll ask you if you want to, are you sure you want to connect to it? Just hit yes. And now you're in. So see here that you have access to one H100, and you can do any of your AI workloads. Yeah, and feel free to contact us if you have any issues renting GPUs from our marketplace. Thanks.